Your name?
My name is Alfazanah Modan Rao.
How old are you?
I am 31 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am divorced.
Okay. How many children you have?
I have two children, one son, one daughter.
How old? Berapa umur? Kamu anak berapa umur?
Oh, one son 13 years old, one daughter 8 years old.
Okay. Kamu ada experience di mana?
Husband in Lombok.
Okay, kerja apa?
Housekeeping, I take care children.
Ketawa, Pak.
Take
Ketawa.
care children, housekeeping, ironing, washing.
Okay. How old children? Majikan anak berapa umur?
Oh, 6 years old.
Okay. Kamu boleh masak?
Yes.
Saya lihat kamu boleh masak. Masak apa?
Steamed fish,
Tak
red
mau.
noodle.
Tak mau. Rendang kamu boleh?
Boleh. Yes.
Boleh ya? Tak mau
Yes.
bohong.
Yes.
Takut anjing?
No. Yes.
Takut anjing?
Yes.
Okay, Singapore tak ada off day, tak ada happy. Kamu boleh?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Thank you. Thank you, Pak.
You are welcome.